I just wanted to prove that like a Japanese import car could compete against the big guys. Hello, my name is Scott Kanemura. We're in Gardena, California. This car has been about a 4-year build. I wouldn't be surprised if we have over 1,500 hours into this build. Yes. I just wanted to prove that like a Japanese import car could compete against the big guys. We took this 4Runner again and we just completely gutted it. So the only part that's Toyota is just this outer skin, the roof and the fenders and stuff like that. So the motor is a Toyota Supra motor, so we're hoping for 1,000 horsepower. It's a board and stroke. It had a custom-made exhaust manifold and a turbo system. The cage is a completely custom cage that was done by Eimer Engineering here in Anaheim, California. And even the dash is carbon fiber. The hood is going to be carbon fiber. And just kind of like the center of the car is going to be, it's going to be like a reverse skunk. So it's going to be white on the outside and black on the inside. We're trying to do this wire tuck thing where instead of just making panels and trying to hide things, it's tucked right in front of your face. So these stainless steel tubes right here on both sides of it, that's a wire conduit. So you're actually looking at the wire without even knowing you're looking at the wire. We had to move the firewall back probably a good, I think about 6 inches, 7 inches. We have this internal air jack system that we have because this is a rotisserie build, so the bottom is just as shiny as the top. So I didn't want to put floor jacks on it and everything, so we just put compressed air to right here, and the car will jack up off the ground. So we have a complete different custom fuel cell system, you know, because it needs a lot of gas to feed that motor. The sliding rag top is 5.5 feet long, and it's custom made to kind of pay tribute to the 1980s Toyota mini trucks. Those rims are 18-inch diameter and 14 inches wide. So. It's cool that I was able to do a car that's like my preference or my style or whatever, but by throwing yourself out there, I just have to have my own skin in. So yeah, that's the hardest part, I think, too, is expressing yourself in front of people and just hearing critiques. You know?